So I'm just driving along in the backwoods of Montana on my way to a place called Refrigerator Canyon, and I come across these fellas, or I should say ladies, and they're just grazing along. Look at that. I was kind of hoping I'd see these guys out here today. About 3 miles south of Nelson, where I'm going to start my picture. When I saw these guys, I had to stop and take a look. So there we have it, guys. But 10 or 12 elk. Right. Northeast of Helena, Montana, and we're on our way to Refrigerator Canyon. It's a neat little place I've been to before, a long time ago, and thought time to go back and check it out. So a little bit about Nelson, Montana. It was established as a mining and farming town back in the 1880s or so, and that kind of dried up, and well, basically there's a few places left, and the best part about this place, it is self-proclaimed, this is the cribbage capital of the world. Of the whole world. That's Nelson, Montana. And we'll drive through here and show you what we got, and then we'll... Nelson, Montana. This is it. This is all of it. Cabin access. Wow. Beaver Creek Road. Yeah, this is all there is to Nelson these days. Days gonna be a little bit different. You see the hazy in the mountains there. There's a fire burning about 10 miles south of here. So we're in that season already. Hopefully that won't mess with our festivities. This is one of those places where if you want to get to the good stuff, you got to take a little bit of road less traveled. You go up to like Glacier National Park, everything, all the roads are most of the roads are paved, and get a lot of traffic on them. Some of these little holes out away from the parks, out in the mountains, just got to dig a little deeper. That's what we're doing today. I'm hoping my GoPro doesn't overheat because it's a warm one today. It's 88 degrees out. I'm going to turn up my air conditioning and I'm going to mute this for a bit. Let's see if we can find a canyon. I'm pretty sure it's not too far up here, so we'll edit out the boring parts. Meanwhile, just enjoy the cool. Oop. Watch the road, I guess. I'm going to have to take stops along the way because I'm old and out of shape. But we're almost there. I'm pretty sure. This is a rugged one. Look at this. Waterfalls. So pretty. The question is, do I go that way? Do I go that way? I'm going to go that way. I'm going to turn off the camera, put it away until I get to the top. Hang in there. Okay, here we are. It looks like we're just getting close to the entrance to the canyon here, the tight spot of it. And you look up on this side, all the way up. It's about 1,000 feet or so, maybe more, I don't know. And then you sweep over to this side. You got that over there. Coming back down. You hear the stream running through. Makes you want to pee sometimes. Okay. Alright, let's get a little closer and I'll do some more. You don't want to hear me breathing like this. I'll be right back. Oh, it's cooling off. And I don't remember this trail being as rugged as it is. If I did, I wouldn't have attempted it today. I would have waited till next year. Get a little bit more muscle under my legs. But here we are. Here we are in the Cut in the Rock. I'm gonna pause here and walk through just a sec. Okay, we made it to the refrigerator part of the canyon. I'll just go ahead and walk on through there, get to the other side, show you what that looks like, and then I'll come back and show you why it's called Refrigerator Canyon. How's that sound? Here we go. The rough trail, rough trail. My feet are going to get wet. Oh, well. What happens to happen sometimes. You're not running around getting lost. See how this rock just cut in half? So you just split. Cool beans. And here we are out the backside. Let me go up a little bit and I'll take a picture of what it looks like back here from out here. I'm gonna go do some goofing off here in a minute. We get out of the mountain, so here we go. There we go. Goes up and up and up and up and up. And I think, there we go. All right. It's just such a neat little place. Now we are officially in the gates of the mountains wilderness. And the trail goes, I think it was like 10 or 12 miles further that way, and it ends up, I think it ends up at Holter Lake on the Missouri. I know people go back in our horseback, as you saw the trailer at the parking lot, but they do a lot of that up here, and some people just come up here for the hike. Now let me show you why they call it Refrigerator Canyon. Here we are up in the canyon. You see that? I don't know if you can read that thermometer very well. It's got about 74 degrees. We're down in the parking lot. It was about 95 degrees. So this is why they call it Refrigerator Canyon. We got the wind breeze blowing right through here, and it feels so nice. So, and it also turns out, let me get up here, that people like rock climbing. Again, I don't know if you can see it, but there's carabiners right up there at the top of that rock there. You got some other bits and pieces there, and a little bit there. Maybe you might see them. If not, I'll just cut it out. You just have to take my word for it. There are people doing rock climbing up here. So, all right, that's Refrigerator Canyon. All right, here's some extras. Looks like there's a cave up there, but I'm going to leave that for somebody who doesn't have quite the heart issues and the age issues that I have to go explore that. So, but knowing it's there, something interesting. Maybe bears hibernate during winter. You never know. All right, time to get back down to the truck, get some lunch. Well, here we are back at the trailhead, all done with our little excursion for the day. Whew, I'm feeling it, because I don't remember it being that tough. Maybe it's because it was 20 years ago when I was out here. I was a lot younger man, but we got it done. And I hope you enjoyed your little trip. And I know I'm going to have a good time editing this. So let's see what happens. See what I can pull out of this mishmash of videotapes and photographs. All right. Well, if you like this stuff, please please click the like down below, and then share, subscribe to my channel, and we'll have more adventures coming up. And share it with your friends. Let everybody know. Let people know. You think they might like it? They might not. Who knows? Might take a night break. All right. And that's all for now. Thank you. God bless. Bye bye. GoPro. Okay, we got a little bonus footage here for you. This is that fire that's burning southeast of Helena. They said it's about, this morning they're saying it's around 200 acres. They've got helicopters out there fighting it. The ground crews are out there fighting it. And we're still in the early parts of July, so it's going to be a busy fire season. So pray for Montana and pray for all the western states that we don't get hit too hard by anything. Lord preserve us. So there you go.